Students, we are starting chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. You must be puzzled with these names, but don't worry. In this chapter, we will find out what a fiber and fabric means and how we convert a fiber to fabric. First of all, students, try to remember your last visit to a cloth shop. You would have noticed a variety of clothes there, which were not only different in color, but they were also different in the material they made up of. If you will touch them, you will feel the difference. Here in this picture, I have shown interior of a shop where you can see different kind of cloth materials in different color. Students, you must be thinking, what are our clothes made of? A shirt, sari, dhoti, blanket, mat. Are they made of same kind of clothing material? Let's find out more. Students, the clothing material which we use is known as fabric. So we can say that clothing materials such as cotton, silk, wool and polyester are known as fabrics. There is variety in fabrics. We notice various fabrics in our daily life. The bed sheet, blanket, curtains, tablecloth, towel, duster. Are they made of same kind of fabric? No, not at all. Today you can touch them and you can feel the difference. You will find out that everything that I mentioned, either a bed sheet, blanket, curtain, tablecloth, towel, they all are made of different kind of fabrics. Even your school bag and a gunny bag, they both differ in the fabric. Not only this, students, the clothes which we wear during summer, rainy season or during winter, they all are different and they all are made of different kind of clothing material depending on the condition of climate. So there is a variety in fabrics. Now students, I have made a flowchart for you in which I have mentioned what we wear and we will try to find out what are the material used to make these clothings. Okay. Firstly, students, you can see here I have written sari. A sari can be made up of silk, cotton, nylon, polyester. Your pants, they can be made of cotton, wool, nylon. Similarly, now look, towel. Towel can be made of cotton, that can be made of other synthetic fibers. Blouse, as we discussed in sari, it can be made of silk, cotton, nylon. Shirt, your shirt can be made of wool, silk, polyester. Your handkerchief or hanky, that can be made of cotton, because cotton is considered the best thing for absorption of sweat. Here we observe that the different kind of clothes that we use in our daily life are made of different clothing materials or fabrics. The term you heard, silk, cotton, nylon, polyester, wool, they all are kind of fabrics that we use in our daily life. Now students, we will find out what are fabrics made of. For this you have to take a piece of cloth that can be made of any fabric, and at the corner you will see some loose threads. When you will try to pull, these thread will come out. What are the thread which are coming out of fabric? To answer it, students, the loose thread are called yarns. A fabric is made up of yarns that are arranged together. What are these yarns made up of? Students, for this we can perform an activity. Take out a yarn from a piece of cotton fabric. Place this piece of yarn on a table. Now press one end of yarn with your thumb. Stretch the other end of yarn along its length with your nail. As you can see here in this picture. Do you find at this end the yarn split into thin strands? You might have observed something similar when you try to thread a needle. Many times the end of thread they get separated into thin strands. This made it difficult to pass the thread through the eye of needle. The thin strands of the thread that we see, they are made of still thinner strands which are called fibers. So students, we have today studied what our fabrics are, what are the different kind of fabrics we use, and what is fiber. Now we will study the types of fiber and other things in next classes. So students, if you are having any doubt, you can ask. So I will summarize for you. The thin strand of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. So fabrics are made up of yarns and yarns are further made up of fibers. That's all students.